Deep within the heart of dense forests lies a hidden network where trees communicate in whispers we cannot hear. This underground web, known as the Wood Wide Web, is an intricate system woven by fungi that connect tree roots. Trees use this vast network to share nutrients and warnings about environmental threats. When a tree is attacked by pests, it sends distress signals through the fungi network to warn its neighbors. In response, neighboring trees bolster their defenses and even send nutrients to help the weak tree withstand the attack. Research has shown that the oldest and largest trees act as mother trees, nurturing young saplings through their root connections. These connections demonstrate an incredible level of cooperation and intelligence within forest ecosystems. This remarkable communication system enhances the vitality of forests, showcasing nature's silent but powerful symphony beneath our feet.